This could be unfamiliar for you, since it's a new kind of business idea. Some people think it's difficult, but there's really nothing difficult at all. You're just not used to it, that's all. All you have to say is Atomy products are cheap and good, and invite people to the seminar to make them contractors. So is that hard or easy? It's easy. It's so easy, but not if you can't get used to it. If you're not used to getting rejected by people, then it's hard. If you just get habituated to it, there's no easier business than this. So one way to get used to this business is to just do it and to tell others about it. If you tell others 100, 1,000 times, then you're going to get used to that. An alternative is to find someone who is born to sell. So even if you can't get used to this work or do it well, just find someone who's gifted at selling as your partner. Just keep at it until you find this person. Atomy Business allows for you to find downline partners who are far better at this work than you are. It isn't hard at all. It's not hard, but you're just not used to it. But soon enough, you can get used to it and start having a lot of fun. You just talk about Atomy spontaneously. You're going to be itching to talk about it. The future belongs to people who try unfamiliar things. What are you used to? Why get used to being poor when you could think about getting rich? You may not be used to having a chauffeur, but you should really dream about that. What we need to decide is whether this is something that harms others or is somehow bad. Then you shouldn't do it no matter what. But this doesn't harm others. If anything, it benefits them. They can't get such great products at such low prices anywhere else. If you feel that just using Atomy products can benefit others, then you can confidently share it with them. There's another very important thing here. In standard organizations, there are less smart people who work under smarter ones, right? Can people stand working under someone who's less smart than them or not? They can't, so they either leave or they go to find their own work. But even if you're not smart, an extremely smart person can come to work under you. Even if you've only got an elementary education, you can have people with PhDs and experts working under you. This is the AI age, where the artificial intelligence has been developed. It's become an age where people's skills are no longer important. Neither people's skills nor education are really that important. So the world has now changed. People can have upward mobility, and we are the driving force. And I believe that Atomy of the Fourth Industrial Revolution and the AI age is playing an incredibly important role.